Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. This is early morning, it's on a weekend. Let's make some pancakes as we get ready to go to the farm. Watch this video until the very end. And if you're seeing me for the very first time and you have not hit that subscribe button, what are you waiting for? Subscribe, like my videos, and always leave a sweet comment. Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. We are back again in the farm, and this time we are just checking around about the progress. We were doing some grafting. I want to see how that is going as we wait for the big harvest. Usually happens in December. Right now what is happening is something we call in my mother tongue daramwaka. I don't know how to put that in English, so let's see how the progress is going. I can see my brother's coffee is coming along very well, so let's just go and see. This one we can carry. This one looks, I think it's ready. I think we'll carry. That is one by 9 to carry. Hey, matunda, the fruits here, they are in plenty. I'm loving this. Oh yeah, I've seen where the need is happening. This is one example of the grafting. Right here. Right here. And I'm also loving this. Look at this, guys, the berries. Nice. It's gonna be good in December. Hey, this is a good progress. I'm happy this time round. I'm very happy. Kudos to my brother for, it's called what, holding my hand when it comes to this. So it's a good progress and I love it. So let's see. grafting. More grafting, more grafting. Tell me, they don't eat these fruits anymore. What? I'll be harvesting some. There are so many. So I'll need maybe to climb up and harvest the loquats, depending on how you pronounce it. And there are so many, yay. How come no one is harvesting this, or they don't eat them anymore? My village people, what's happening? Yeah, okay. Let's walk inside a bit. You can see how it's going into here. And now this dawa. Lots of napier grass, yeah? Is napier grass? Ah, okay, nice. Oh, I think we won't go further than this. So I'm just thinking on how we will harvest the loquats. But hey, look at this coffee. Hey, I'm loving this. Yo, guys, look at this. Look at this. Hey, this is so good. Wow. Look. It's even bending because of the coffee berries. Wow. Let's take a video. Guys, let's have a taste. Let's see. Wow, not bad. Let's go and taste the other one over there. Let me move the carrier bag here. Let's harvest. Oh, there are like 4 trees of loquats, but this is the sweetest of them all. The other 3 are kind of flat. Explains why nobody is harvesting the fruits. Or maybe it's not a village thing. They are so used to this. Okay, harvest. Hey, today is gonna be a good day. I saw another friend of mine blending this. I'll go try. Let me go. We need something like a stick so that I can pull this one. Guys, this one is the one I want to pull down and get more of loquats. Hey, but I thought I was tall. Hey, should I climb? But now, even if I climb, come and help me. Hey, I have a friend here, but why? Today he said I should fight my own battles. So, hey. Okay. Hey, I need your help. So, if you want to, when you harvest the loquats, if you want them to stay for longer, you harvest with the stem or the stalk, depending on how you call it. You see, you don't harvest the way I was harvesting before at first, one. You harvest with the stalk or the stem, like this. That way, even if they are not ripe, when you get to the house, they will still ripe and they will stay for longer. Okay? Yep. Well, I got home and I'm unpacking here. That's my daughter right there. She was waiting for me to finish unpacking so that she can start, enjoying the fruits. And thank you so much for watching up to this point. Like I said, subscribe if you haven't. Don't leave this video without at least giving it a like. And if you can, leave a sweet comment and I'll see you in the next one.